we're taking the back road. It's a little more fun if you're on a motorcycle. I think I'm going to stop and, let's see, let me check. Actually, the camera looks okay. I'll leave it for now. It moved forward quite a bit. It's kind of weird. Shandon. I should probably slow down. They got lots of sheriffs out here usually roaming around. Sometimes the CHP. But it seems like every time I go through here I pass the sheriff, either coming in opposite direction or sitting on the side of the road. The river. Wonder, oh no, my rear facing camera has died, so there will be no rear facing camera footage on this road. Shucks. I left the camera on the whole time we were at the restaurant. Probably why it died. Hey, there's a motorcycle. Some big old ape hangers on it. Hey, it's for sale. Wonder how much they're asking. I'm not a big fan of the ape hangers. You can always take it off though. Yeah, my throat's kind of hurting right now. A little sore throat. I think it's from talking so much on the way over. Maybe I should just shut my mouth. So I had a brisket sandwich at Bravo Farms, and honestly it wasn't how I remember brisket being. It was I don't know what. I don't think it was really brisket. It was alright. I usually get the tri-tip sandwich. I'll just stick with that from now on. And I thought it came with french fries, but I guess I was wrong. It came with coleslaw, which is probably better for me. It looks like I might be stuck behind a car or two going back, so might be a little slow going. Not a whole lot of places to pass on this road. We'll see. Oh, wait a minute. Nope. They're going straight. Hey, we got the adventure bikes here. And we're off. Oh, good. No one in front of me. Woohoo! We got a little straightaway before we get into the windies. That was fun. That's about as fast as this bike will go. And it takes a long time to get there. And that was doing a full tuck. Now we're going to come up into the twisties here. This will be more fun if you're on a sport bike. One thing about the Sportster is it doesn't have a very good lean radius before you start bottoming out, scraping exhaust pipes and kickstands. I'm already on my third lower exhaust. Although I tend not to lean as far now. I've got it down to where I know about where I can lean without scraping stuff. I don't remember which way it goes over the hill, right? Can't remember if it goes right or left. It is still feeling a wee wobbly in the corners. Although I'm doing about 70. Scraped the kickstand. I don't know if you heard it there. I think it hit the reflectors. There's one real hairpin turn up here a ways. back to kickstand again. Oh shit, they hit my boot and my that corner. I hit the foot peg. Can't talk. And the back of my boot. Alright, now we're getting some tight turns. More fun if you're on a sport bike. And that's not even the hairpin ones. There's a crashed car down there. I don't know if you can see it. Like a old Pinto or something. Woo. Okay, I think I just take my time. I'm getting kind of tired. I'm not even riding that hard. So if I wanted to do stuff like that, I get a sport bike. I just like to cruise and enjoy the scenery. And this is a nice road to enjoy the scenery on. Sometimes you just get the urge to go a little faster. Luckily, this bike doesn't go that fast. They say it's more fun to go slow, or no wait, it's more fun to go fast on a slow bike than slow on a fast bike. Whoop-de-doo, woo! Moo cows. You gotta be careful on these roads too, because a couple times there's been cows on the road. And that would really put a damper on your day to come around and hit a cow doing about 80 or 100. Well, the cornering felt okay for the most part. I think when I had those wobbles back on 46 back there, I think I was just going too fast, even though it was a gradual curve. Is that a llama? What's up, llama? What's up, Tina? Wasn't Tina, was that the llama's name in Napoleon Dynamite? For the longest time I thought this was a camera right here. At least I don't think it is. Hell, maybe it is. I think it's for insects. Oh, my throat is hurting from talking so much. There's a section of this road coming up here I always hate. Because it always... Man, my throat is hurting. I'm not stopped talking. But it always seems like cars pull out in front of you. There's like a straightaway and it's got 3 or 4 streets where you can turn on and off of, and every time I go by it, it seems like there's cars waiting to turn onto the road, and half the time they pull out right in front of you. So it's a section you don't really want to go flying through. I'll point it out when I get there, but I'm going to stop talking because my throat is hurting. Hope I'm not getting sick. this is the stretch of road here. There's a few different streets. See, look at, there's a car coming out right now. Every time I come through here, there's cars at these roads. Look at the second road up there. There's another car getting ready to come out. Just pulled up. I've never come through here and not had cars. And look, he hit his brakes and doesn't have a signal on. Is he going left or right? Does he not know where he's going? He didn't know where he's going. He's just making a U-turn. So if you're ever on this stretch of road, be careful right there, because like you just saw, 2 cars getting ready to come out. Every time I drive by, there's cars. I don't know what it is. They can't drive by and not be cars there one time. And then you get a guy like that pulls out. Now that wasn't close, but he pulled out and then he just slowed down with no signal, like doesn't know where he's going. And he hit his brakes. Alright, we're coming up on that really tight turn up here, which I am just gonna putt around because it is I think it's like a 5-mile-an-hour turn. Bumblebee, hey, I like your color. Should I do this yellow too? Just yellow it out? I need to order another one of these probably though. This one's really old, and I was actually, I think, what was it? Oh, I was using a heat gun to get a decal off of it and kind of melted it a little, so you can see like in the spot on the other side where it kind of got too hot. Man. Okay, I gotta shut up. I know I keep saying that. Moo cow. You stay on your side of the fence, buddy.